actually say it started as like a barroom joke. How come the robot that you're designing doesn't get a say in its design? How come when you're building it, when you're making it, it doesn't say, hey, what are you doing to me? My name is Nick Martellero, and I'm a second-year PhD student here at Stanford in the Center for Design Research. I'm very interested in the way that people interact with things, and robots are their things. The interesting thing about robots is that they are things that can interact in new ways, and we don't really have a good sense of how they should act. There's a lot of great roboticists who are making amazing mechanical systems, amazing electrical, amazing computational systems. But what we're more interested in is looking at how do these robots interact with people.
We people are profoundly social animals. What our machines have to do going forward is be designed to emit emotions back.
The way that we personify the robot is through facial expression and through voice. There's a great book called Understanding Comics. There's some chapters in there about understanding faces and how to make even very simple, two dots in a line, how to make them expressive. It's making like an excited face. That's like one of the funnest faces to design, with these big eyes. We thought we could get away without having it have a voice, but voice is such a strong social factor. You hear anything that sounds like a human voice and you instantly start thinking and treating it like a human. As you're building it, it's looking at you, it's talking to you, it's interacting with you.
The project has immediate outcomes with teaching non-electrical engineers to build electronic devices. The computer and the human are a team. The emotional valence of the conversation is more important than the content.
The robot you were building and prototyping with knew about the circuits you wanted to make. Let's say it knew how to light up an LED and it could just tell you. We had students come in and learn how to prototype with it. We had a little webcam in front of the students, and I have microphones, I can hear what the students are saying, and I just have a little keypad that allows me to control the robot. We would ask questions, what's the most complicated thing you've ever built? Oh, I built a car once. What was really interesting is that we always followed up that question with, okay, cool, tell me more. And then all of a sudden we get this really interesting detailed story from the students. I was surprised. I was surprised by that we could actually pull that much from a student from such simple commands.
The future of human-computer interaction is scary if we don't get the design of these systems right. The scare is we will alienate each other. The computers won't trust us, and we won't trust them. This is a time for radical thinking.
When our robots act like people, we treat them like people. In a way, I kind of look at it as sort of like all the sci-fi movies said we're supposed to be interacting with robots and we're going to be talking with them, they're going to be part of our daily lives. Maybe not now, but in the future. And when you work on this type of stuff, I think you get a chance to design that future. Things that don't exist yet. It's going to have a big impact on the design of future systems, from your phone to your computer to your car to your microwave.
How do we make all kinds of products, with or without computers, serve the needs of the human species?
Best case scenario is robots are going to be part of your everyday life. I guess, unless there's a robot uprising.